Today we are doing a tour in a couple of properties that are going to be in Pacific Hills, Mission Viejo. What can I tell you about Pacific Hills? Very family friendly, and you have schools that are close by. You have a middle school that is very close by. The high school is not too far away. The schools are good schools, good school district. The average price of homes start anywhere from, I would say, about $1 million all the way up to the low twos. Majority of the homes are single family residences. You do have a small area comprised of townhomes. Pacific Hills also is in an area that includes access to the Mission Viejo Lake and Mission Viejo Lake membership, which is amazing. The lake does have a beach, so you can swim there. There is fishing, there is paddle boarding, you can rent pontoons, and on top of that, during the summer, they have free concerts. They will also have movie nights for families, and their July 4th fireworks and festivities are amazing. The homes in Pacific Hills all will have HOA, Homeowners Association, even the ones that are detached. And the reason being is because there is a lot of maintenance. There are some parks that are included in the community, and there is some upkeep still that needs to be addressed within the community. So we do have an HOA. The HOAs vary within the community depending on where you live. Some can be as low as about $85 per month, while others can be as high as about $155, $160 per month. Because of the size of the community, some of the homes are built in the 80s, and then you have some that are as recent as the mid-90s. So overall, about a 20-year, maybe 15, 20-year span from when the first part of the development started to when the last part of the development was finished. It is located close to a lot of walking trails, and there are even trails that I know mountain bikers will take their bikes on. The lake itself is only about maybe 3 miles from Pacific Hills. The property we're about ready to see is listed at $1,650,000. It is in a more established area of Pacific Hills. It is a little bit older. The community is called Sunrise Ridge. It is a 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It is 2,427 square feet. It does have a yard that's about 4,500 square feet, a 2-car attached garage built in 1987, and there is an HOA as well. Any home that is in Pacific Hills is going to have an HOA. The amount for this HOA is $85. Let's go take a look. The property we're about ready to see is listed for $1,950,000. It is in an area of Pacific Hills called Anacapa. The development is more recent. This one is built in 1990. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. It's 3,322 square feet with a yard of about 5,400 square feet. It is a 3-car attached garage. This is a detached single-family residence. Let's go take a look. Well, that concludes our tour for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more. And if you are interested in learning more about the Mission Viejo area, or maybe you live in the Mission Viejo area and you are looking to make a change and sell, contact me today for a free consultation. Bye for now.